So we're back here. This is gonna be a short video on the installation of this JLT oil catch can on the 2018 Mustang. We did a video earlier in the year. So on this one, it's real simple. You actually don't have to take the cover off or the brace like I've seen in other videos. You could actually just remove this little cap right there, and there's a nut in there. You can remove that nut and this thing can lift up just a little bit so you can have access to the hose, the plastic hose that will be replaced with the oil catch can. So it's a JLT, like I said, JLT 3.0. We're not sponsored by them, but they can always send us a message. So on the JLT catch can, these connecting pieces are the same as the stock configuration. You just pull this tab up a little bit and back, and then just pull it up. You should be able to disconnect it. And this one, just whenever you're installing it, just push it down and it'll lock itself. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so like I said, on this we already removed the nut. We actually lost it in the previous video when we were installing the cold air intake. So in this case, it's already this corner is already loose. And so let's show you guys. This is the plastic hose that you will be removing. You have just enough space to get to it. Like I said, pull the tab back and then just pull it up and it should pop out. All right, so on this side, the same thing. Pull the little tab a little bit up and then out, and then just pull it up and you can remove it. So like I said, it's the same connections. All right, so let's go with the little catch can. Go back in here, and this is gonna go in here. Let me see how can I put it in there. Okay, there it is. All right, so one side is already in, and this. Okay, so they're both in, and just push them until you hear the click, and it's already on. And that's it. Put the cover back. Put the nut. If you removed it, if you didn't, you don't have to. You can just do it. It's gonna be a little tight, but you can still do it. All right, guys. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos on this 2018 Mustang.